Hello, and welcome to today's session. In this module, we will focus on Learning Outcome 2, Understanding Current Ethical Issues in Information Technology. Information technology has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate, but with these advances come significant ethical challenges. IT professionals today face complex dilemmas, ranging from data privacy and cybersecurity to issues such as the digital divide, AI ethics, and intellectual property. In this session, we will explore these ethical concerns in detail, examining how they affect organizations, individuals, and society as a whole. By understanding these challenges, you will gain insight into the responsibilities of IT professionals and the importance of making informed, ethical decisions in the digital world. Let's dive into the ethical landscape of IT and discover the critical issues shaping our digital future. Data privacy is a fundamental right, yet often compromised. Organizations collect data without explicit consent. Privacy by design integrates privacy into IT systems from the start. Utilitarianism suggests maximizing benefits while minimizing harm. The Cambridge Analytica scandal illustrates severe breaches in data privacy. Cybersecurity involves ethical dilemmas around hacking for defense. Ethical hacking identifies security flaws but raises ethical questions. Deontological ethics focuses on rule adherence. Virtue ethics emphasizes the hacker's integrity. Ethical hacking helps organizations secure systems but can raise concerns if misused. AI systems face scrutiny due to algorithmic biases. Fairness ensures unbiased decision-making. Accountability demands transparency in AI operations. AI in hiring has faced backlash for biased outcomes. Companies like Amazon have been criticized for their AI recruiting tools. The digital divide highlights inequality in technology access. Social contract theory advocates for equitable access. Utilitarianism promotes bridging the divide for greater good. The pandemic exposed disparities in online learning access. Students without reliable internet faced disadvantages. Intellectual property rights often clash with open source ideals. Deontological ethics upholds creators' legal rights. Utilitarianism seeks a balance for societal benefits. Software patents versus open source exemplify this dilemma. Microsoft protects software with patents, while Linux advocates open access. Ethical best practices promote responsible IT conduct. They encompass individual, colleague, and societal responsibilities. Confidentiality ensures sensitive data is accessed appropriately. Integrity demands honesty in professional actions. Continuous professional development is crucial for competence. Respect and fairness are key in colleague interactions. Collaboration promotes effective teamwork. Accountability involves taking responsibility for actions. A collaborative environment respects diverse perspectives. Avoiding discrimination fosters inclusivity. IT professionals have societal responsibilities. Social responsibility involves actions benefiting society. Privacy and data protection are crucial. Environmental impact considers sustainable practices. Addressing BYOD challenges requires robust policies. Ethical issues span systems design, cybersecurity, and marketing. User privacy must be respected in systems design. Ethical hacking requires legal and ethical conduct. Digital marketing demands transparency in data use. Addressing these issues is vital for IT integrity. User privacy is paramount in systems design. Accessibility promotes inclusivity for all users. Bias in algorithms must be mitigated. Security by design ensures data protection. Ethical practices enhance system integrity. Data breach response plans are essential. Ethical hacking must be conducted legally. User awareness enhances security posture. Surveillance must respect user privacy. Transparent policies guide ethical monitoring. Data gathering requires transparency and consent. Avoiding data manipulation is crucial. Unsolicited signups must comply with regulations. Transparency in advertising maintains trust. Clear labeling distinguishes advertisements from content. Emerging technologies pose ethical challenges. Misuse of personal information is a concern. Misinformation and deepfakes erode trust. Lack of oversight creates accountability gaps. Autonomous technologies raise ethical dilemmas. Unauthorized use of data breaches privacy. Data security prevents unauthorized access. Social media platforms often misuse user data. IoT devices must be secured against hacking. Ethical practices protect user information. Deepfakes create misleading content. Misinformation manipulates public opinion. Trust in news sources is eroded. Distinguishing real content from deepfakes is challenging. Ethical guidelines are needed to combat misinformation. Autonomous systems face ethical decision-making challenges. Job displacement raises economic concerns. Programming decisions in self-driving cars are critical. Robots replacing workers cause unemployment. Ethical considerations guide technology deployment. Conclusion: upholding ethical standards in IT is fundamental for fostering trust and maintaining professional integrity. Effectively navigating ethical complexities is crucial for achieving sustainable success in the field. Ensuring responsible decision-making and positive outcomes for both organizations and stakeholders. If you have any questions, simply WhatsApp us at 074-84361-688. Our team will gladly provide support. Thank you, and see you in the next session.